Matagal mo na bang pangarap magkaroon ng sariling bahay? O kaya naman ng property investment na siguradong tataas ang value? Introducing St. Monique in Binangonan, Rizal. Located in Barangay Pantok, accessible to Manila, at napakalapit lang sa Antipolo City. Exclusive subdivision ito with complete and ready amenities na siguradong ma-enjoy ng buong pamilya. 24/7 security. Safe na safe ang pamilya mo. We offer beautifully designed 2-story finished turnover townhouses with 2 or 3 bedrooms. At good news, kami na ang bahala sa processing ng iyong Pag-ibig housing loan. 2 malalaking swimming pool, maluluwag na kalsada, malalaking drainage system, kaya kahit malakas ang ulan, hindi tayo binabaha. Strategic location, malapit sa schools, hospitals, malls, and churches. Mga kababayan kong OFW, self-employed, at locally employed, ito na ang sign mo. 100% flood-free, 100% pollution-free environment. Makakalanghap ka ng sariwang hangin sa isang malinis at safe na community. 6 to 8 months lang ang construction time. At kabayan, trusted ang developer na ito. The owner was a multi-awarded congressman for 14 years in Oriental Mindoro and a multi-awarded governor for 9 years. Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Message mo na ako ngayon for more details. God bless, and see you in your future home.